Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can enable full screen in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is how to go to full screen. You would just want to press F11, and here how we do it. So F11, you go to full screen. So this is really good when I have like Twitch here and I want to watch, I don't know, StarCraft 2, and I want to have it as a full screen. And then I would just simply hide the chat and voila, perfect, right? So yeah, this is how you can simply go to full screen in Google Chrome. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.